Hello, children. How are you? Hope you are doing good. Welcome to today's mathematics class. I believe you had watched the last videos. Have you understand the concepts well? Good. Let us start today's class. Children, before moving into today's class, let us discuss one moral value. Today's moral value is hard work. Kids, many of you have dreams to become doctor, engineer, scientist, collector, teacher, etc. No? Yes. So, to attain your dreams, you have to work a lot. Yes, you have to learn well, write well from now itself. And also, you should read other books apart from your textbooks. So, there is no substitute for hard work. Hard work pays. Hard work brings success. Okay, have you all understood about hard work? Yes, hard work always pays. There is no substitute for hard work. Children, let us recall what we had learnt in the last session. First, we had learnt about 3-digit numbers in the last session, isn't it? Yes. First, writing the number name and the numeral form of a 3-digit number. First, example 678. Its number name is 678. Next comes to the place value and the face value. Place value. Here one number is given 835. The place value of 3 in 835 is 30 and the face value of 3 in 835 is 3. Next comes to expanded form. Here consider a number 456. It is expanded as 400 plus 50 plus 6. Next 298. It is expanded as 200 plus 90 plus 8. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, good. Children, can you tell me what is the smallest one-digit number and the greatest one-digit number? Let us discuss about it. Okay. This one is the smallest one-digit number and 9 is the greatest one-digit number. Then 10 is the smallest two-digit number and 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Then 100 is the smallest 3-digit number and 99 is the greatest 3-digit number. Good. Children, next formation of 4-digit number. Do you know how a 2-digit number is formed? When 1 is added to a largest 1-digit number, it gives the 2-digit number. That is 1 plus 9 equal to 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. Then like that, when 1 is added to the largest 2-digit number 99, it forms a 3-digit number 100. That is 1 plus 99 equal to 100. Similarly, to form a 4-digit number, we have to add 1 with the largest 3-digit number. That is 999. So we get 1000. 1000 is a 4-digit number. 1000. Yes, 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number and 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. Are you understood? Yes, good. Children, next comes the place value chart. We can read the large numbers by using this place value chart. To make it easy to read the large numbers, first, the digits are divided into periods. The digits in the same periods are read together. First, ones, tens and hundreds digits forms the ones period. Next, 1000 digits forms the thousands period. These two periods are separated by comma. Here a place value chart for a 4-digit number is given. Yes, ones period and thousands period. In ones period, ones, tens and hundreds digits are arranged, and in thousands period, thousands digit is arranged. Let us take a number 2385. We have to arrange 5 in ones period and 8 in tens period and 3 in hundreds period and 2 in thousands period. So the number is read as 2385. We have to put a comma after 2 because to separate the ones period and thousands period, we are putting the comma. Okay, have you understood clearly? Yes. Children, next, number name. Do you know what is meant by number name? When a number is written in words, it is called a number name. Any numbers can be written in words. Then, to write the number name for a given number, some steps are there. What are the steps? First step is write the number in the place value chart. Next step is read the number according to the period. Okay. Consider an example 6798. It is a 4-digit number. Okay. You have to write 8 in ones and 9 in tens and 7 in hundreds and 6 in thousands. Okay. Here 6 comes under thousands period and 7, 9, 8 comes under ones period. So you have to read the number as 6798. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Now I hope you are able to write the number name for a given number. Yes. Good. Hope you understood clearly. Yes. Children, here I am taking one more example to explain that. Okay. For example, a number 2982 is given. Okay. Yes, it is a 4-digit number. First, we have to arrange this number in the place value chart. 2 in ones and 8 in tens and 9 in hundreds and 2 in thousands. Okay. Then read the number according to their period. Here 2 comes under thousands period and 982 comes under ones period. Then we are reading the number according to their period. Okay. So 2982. Yes. Children, I am taking one more example. 8467. It is a 4-digit number. How you can write the number name for this? Step 1. You have to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. That is 7 in ones, 6 in tens, 4 in hundreds and 8 in thousands. Okay. I hope you clearly understood about the arrangement of the number in the place value chart. Isn't it? Yes. Next, step 2. Reading the number according to the periods. Yes. Here 8 is in thousands period, 4 is in hundreds period and 6 is in tens period and 7 is in ones period. So you have to read the number as 8467. Yes. 7, 6 and 4 the or comes under ones period and 8 comes under thousands period. So we have to read the number as 8467. Yes. Here how we are reading the number is the same way to write the number in the number name. Okay. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Next, coming into numeral form. What is meant by numeral? Numeral is a symbol or name that stands for a number. They are formed by one or more digits. For example, 3 is a numeral, 20 is a numeral, 156 is a numeral. Okay. Now we are going to learn about how to convert number name into numerals. Here also some steps are needed. First, write the place value chart for the given number. Next, fill the number according to the periods for the given number name. Okay. Yes. Children, we have to take some more examples. Okay. A number name for a number is given 2475. First, you have to write the place value chart for the given number. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then, fill the number according to the periods for the given number name. That is, put 2 in thousands, 4 in hundreds, 7 in tens and 5 in ones. So, 2 is in thousands period and 475 is in ones period. These 2 and 475 are separated by a comma. So we can write the numeral form as 2, 475. Okay. Similarly, we have to write the numeral form for the next example 9618. 9, 618. Children, next comes place value. Place represents position of the digits, that is, it depends on the place of the digits in the number. That is where the number is present, in which place the number is present. For example, 8365. First, we have to arrange these numbers in their place value chart according to their place. Okay. 5 in ones place, 6 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, and 8 in thousands place. Children, next we are going to find out the place value of each number in 8365. First, we have to arrange all the numbers in their place value chart. 5 is arranged in ones place, 6 is arranged in tens place, 3 is arranged in hundreds place, and 8 is arranged in thousands place. Okay, so the 8 is in thousands place. You have to multiply the 8 with 1000. So 8 into 1000 equal to 8000. So the place value of 8 in 8365 is 8000. Next, 3 is in hundreds place. Okay. Yes, 3 into 100 equal to 300. So the place value of 3 in 8365 is 300. Next, 6 is present in tens place. So 6 into 10 equal to 60. So the place value of 6 in 8365 is 60. Next, 5 is in ones place. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. So the place value of 5 in 8365 is 5. Hope you now clearly understand about how to write the place value of the given number, isn't it? Yes. Considering one more example, place value of 9328. First, we have to arrange these numbers in their place value chart. 8 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, and 9 in thousands place. First, the place value of 9 in 9328 is 9 into 1000, which is 9000. So the place value of 9 in 9328 is 9000. Next, the place value of 3 in 9328 is 3 into 100, 300. So the place value of 3 in this number is 300. Next, the place value of 2 in 9328 is 2 into 10, 20. So the place value of 2 in this number is 20. Next comes the place value of 8 in 9328, which is 8 into 1 equal to 8. So the place value of 8 for the given number is 8. Next comes face value. Face value of the digit is the number itself. It remains the same in all places. Okay, children? Yes. For example, 9387. We have to find the face value of each number in this number. So, to find the face value, first we have to arrange the given number in their place value chart. So, 7 is arranged in ones place, 8 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 9 is in thousands place. So the face value of 9 is 9, and 3 is 3, and 8 is 8, and 7 is 7. Okay, yes. Next, considering one more example, 7813. First, we have to arrange this in their place value chart. 3 in ones place, 1 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, and 7 in thousands place. Next, the face value of 7 is 7, 8 is 8, 1 is 1, and 3 is 3. Hope you clearly understood about the face value. Yes. Okay, good. Next, expanded form. It is the sum of the place value of all its digits in the numerals. To expand a number, some steps are followed. First one, arrange the numbers in their place. Next, add all the place value of the numerals. Okay, children, have you got clearly? Yes. Children, now we are going to expand the following number 5643. For that, first we have to arrange this number in their place value chart. Okay, so 3 is arranged in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 6 is in hundreds place, and 5 is in thousands place. Next, we have to find out the place value of every number. Okay, so the place value of 5 is 5 into 1000, 5000 since it is present in thousands place. Next, place value of 6 and 5643 is 6 into 100, 600 because 6 is in hundreds place. Next, place value of 4 is 4 into 10, 40 since 4 is present in tens place. Yes, next. Place value of 3 in 5643 is 3 into 1 equal to 3. So we are now find out the place value of each number. Then we are going to write the expanded form of 5643. What do you have to do? Just you have to sum up all the numerals, that is 5000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 3. Yes, the expanded form of 5643 is 5000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 3. Yes. Children, some more examples are given here. The expanded form of 6983 is 6000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 3. And then the expanded form of 3452 is 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 2. And then the expanded form of 7964 is 7000 plus 900 plus 60 plus 4. Yes, for to write the expanded form, first you have to arrange the numbers in the place value chart. Then we have to find out the place value of each number, and finally we have to sum up all the numerals. Okay, good. Next, write or draw abacus. Okay, yes. First write the place value of the given number, then draw beads according to the number's place value. For example, consider 9990. First place this number in the place value chart. Next, draw the abacus picture and draw the beads. Okay, here 0 is placed in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 9 is in hundreds place, and another 9 is in thousands place. So to draw the beads in the abacus, first you have to draw 9 beads in the thousands place, and 9 beads in the hundreds place, and another 9 beads in the tens place, and no beads in the zeros place. Okay, are all clear? Are you all clear? Yes. Children, next topic is predecessor. The number that comes just before the given number is called a predecessor of a number, or predecessor is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. The predecessor of 2 is 1, and the predecessor of 25 is 24, and the predecessor of 234 is 233, and the predecessor of 1678 is 1677. Here one more example. Next, successor. The number that comes just after the given number is called the successor of a number. Successor is also obtained by adding 1 to the number. Successor of 2 is 3, and successor of 25 is 26, and successor of 234 is 235, and the successor of 1678 is 1679. Here the successor of 422 is 423, and the successor of 423 is 424. Okay, hope you understood clearly about successor and predecessor. Yes, children. Good. Children, today we learnt about the number name writing and numeral form and place value and face value and expanded form and predecessor and successor of a 4-digit number. Yes, clearly understood about this concept? Yes, good. Next comes activity. First write the number name for the following numbers. A. 3711. B. 6894. Next write the numeral form. A. 1425. B. 8206. Then write the expanded form. A. 3684. B. 9721. Next write the place value of 4 in 4356. Next 7 in 8973. That is the place value of 7 in 8973. Yes, hope you understood clearly about all the concepts discussed today. Children, go through the videos daily and do the activity without fail. Children, do your work regularly. Okay, take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.